Miss McKinney,
Yes, Your Honor.
we're back.
Yes.
I hope we are in better spirits.
I am.
Okay, good. And we're not going to allow each other to press each other's buttons, right?
Correct.
We'll
Okay,
see what she
ready.
does.
Okay, so we took the DNA testing, had all that done. Did you all have any problems with that?
No, none at all.
Yeah.
Okay.
Fine.
Okay, have the two of you had an opportunity to speak at all?
We've
No
spoken.
way. No.
Lies.
All right. Okay. We spoke for 30 seconds. That doesn't count. I didn't want to talk to you. You came up to me. I tried to end the conversation as quick as possible.
Miss McKinney returns to court, and the room fills with tension instantly. The judge urges calm, but anger resurfaces within seconds. A short exchange turns hostile, and neither side is ready to compromise. With DNA results still pending, emotions rise higher. Stay with us, everything is about to erupt in this courtroom battle.
This out, blah, 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 all of that crap.
Oh, so that's a lot in 30 seconds.
Really?
No, it was not. No, it's not what I said. But
When he lies, he puts his hand up like that on his cheek.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's a lie pose.
And you
Exhausting,
found
Your
all that out in 72 hours?
I did.
Interesting. Okay. So
you see how aggressive she is about this. This
I'm
is
just excited.
She doesn't need help for her daughter.
Just
This is
come on
about
with the
revenge.
results,
This
please.
is clearly about getting back at me.
She takes the stand and delivers a shocking claim. She says he wanted one more night together to ease the tension. The courtroom reacts in disbelief. She accuses him of lying, he insists she wants revenge. Their stories clash, emotions flare, and suddenly the case becomes deeply personal. This conflict is far from over.
Timing, isn't it? Right when I have a fiance and have a son, that's when she chooses to do this. Isn't that kind of odd timing here, Your Honor?
I mean, the timing does seem a little interesting.
I just came to the realization that, hey, I can do it alone, but I don't have to do it alone. If he's taking care of his other son and his fiance, that's fine. I don't need him to take care of me or my daughter, but it would be the right thing to do. And that's what he's going to do.
And
If he's the father.
He's the father.
Okay. And you're sure of that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. All right. Well, I mean, bailiff, we have those results.
After 9 years of silence, she filed the case right when he got engaged and welcomed a new baby. He questions the timing, calling it suspicious. She argues the focus should be their daughter, not his life. The judge studies both sides carefully. Then suddenly, a cashier's check appears in court.
You can't say that to him yet, though.
Okay.
We
All
don't
right.
know if he's even going to be the father to pay child support.
I know.
But if you are indeed the father, I wouldn't recommend you make a payment today because the order would just be being signed today.
Is there an appeal process even if I am the father?
What would you be appealing exactly?
I don't think that based on the way she's been treating me and based on her selective choice of when to bring this issue up in order.
He arrives with a cashier's check, ready to pay child support immediately. But the judge stops everything, no payment until paternity is confirmed. He accuses her of harassment and trying to destroy his family. The room is stunned by the intensity. Next, he makes a surprising and controversial legal request.
Able to file maybe a restraining order, and that would prevent me from, if I had a restraining order against her, that would prevent me obviously from having to pay for her child support, wouldn't it?
What is that, a restraint?
No, that's not how any of that works. That was really creative, though, but that's not how any of that works. So let me go ahead and tell you what the results say.
All right.
Let's get it over with.
All
We need a drum
right.
roll.
All right. It looks like baby McKinney, because we can't say a child's name.
Right.
There is no problem.
He suggests getting a restraining order to avoid child support, shocking the entire courtroom. Before reactions settle, the DNA results arrive. The truth hits hard, he is not the father. Silence takes over. But the drama continues, she refuses to accept the results, insisting something is wrong.
What'd you say, Your Honor?
You
Remember?
laughed at that.
Remember
No,
when you
I didn't hear.
Oh, let me say it a
I'm
little
the
louder.
only white person she's been with.
There is
Remember that?
no probability that he is the father.
Okay, so first of all, no disrespect to you, but the letter looks a little sketchy.
Okay.
It wasn't in a
It's got
legal
writing on
size
it.
envelope.
That's why it's
So And I don't trust him because his uncle is an attorney, okay? And his
Okay.
uncle can do
What does
all
that have to
types
do with
of
anything?
stuff. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
So I don't even trust that.
Wait a minute. I believe at the beginning, I asked you all how the test went.
I mean,
and
the
you
test-
said, wait a minute, hold on. You said everything went.
She challenges the DNA report, claiming his uncle, a lawyer, might have influenced the test. Her reason is unusual, a private tattoo she remembers. The courtroom is confused and unsure whether she's desperate or hiding something. The judge pushes forward, questioning whether the test was truly fair.
And it was fair that day, right?
Yes.
They swabbed her mouth correctly.
The person appeared to be wearing PPE and the person appeared to work, you know, for that service. And the test itself went well, but behind the scenes, Your Honor.
And it
a lot
appears
goes
that
on.
these results are directly from the testing place. And he's not the father.
He is the father. Let me tell you why. Let me tell you why, Your
Let
Honor.
me tell you not. No, he's not.
He's the father.
He's not. So you're going to you're
lost.
going to argue with DNA.
The judge confirms the test was handled professionally, and both sides agreed to the process. Still, she rejects the results and emotions explode. She repeats that he is the father, ignoring the evidence. Tension builds rapidly as arguments rise. Soon, she starts shouting over the DNA findings.
There's 72 hours. He
He
has a
is
tattoo
not
on
the
his private
father.
parts. He was
He
the only
is
one
not
there. I
the
know.
father. He is not the father.
Show
How
me your
many
tattoo.
times do I have to say that? No, I don't want to see a tattoo. All I want to see was these numbers to see what the probability was going to look like of him being the father. He is not the father. Now,
That was way too much, by the way.
You have a tattoo.
excuse me, you know what? I don't even see why you all need to be having a conversation right now.
I agree.
Can we
you
do a
are not the
retest?
father, which means that you will not be placed on any type of child support or.
He continues to deny everything, but she repeats her claim again and again. The judge reminds her of the DNA, yet she refuses to stop. The argument shifts to private tattoos and personal details, creating total chaos. She describes a private tattoo, escalating the intensity inside the courtroom.
They think is the father.
There is no one else, Your Honor. It was him. He has a tattoo on his private part. I was with him and the tattoo for 72 hours. I know what I felt. I know what I saw. Okay, it was him.
Well, there is a probability of something else though.
Okay.
You were probably with somebody else too within that previous 72 hours.
Oh, Your Honor, you tried it.
There's no shade.
She insists she was with no one else and mentions a private tattoo only she could know. The judge remains cautious, unsure if her memory is accurate. Tension rises as the court questions her claims. Suddenly, a twist approaches. A surprising detail involving a birthmark changes everything.
I'm where I didn't see you or know where you were. I don't know what you were doing. You know what? Maybe I'll give you the benefit of the doubt. Maybe you don't even remember this other guy. It's possible with the rate you were going in those days. So I'm willing to grant you that you may not have been lying.
Man.
You may
Okay.
not have been lying about thinking that I was the only white guy you were with.
Well, just answer my question. Do you have a tattoo on your private part?
I have a birthmark that kind of looks like a bird. Maybe
No,
that's
it
what you
says
thought.
Mississippi long. Do you have that tattoo?
Okay,
No.
well, you know what? This is what we're.
Never-
He reverses the situation, saying she disappeared for long periods during those days. He suggests another man could be involved. When she demands proof about the tattoo, he says it's only a birthmark. The judge has had enough and prepares to close the dispute once and for all.
At this rate, we're not getting anywhere. I've already said what the results were, which means I'm dismissing this case. You are more than welcome to bring another case. And if his account is true that you don't remember, you can bring another case after that. But the court is here to assist you. So if there are no more questions and nothing further, which it shouldn't be, you all are dismissed.
Hell no, there shouldn't be.
Whatever. You got a tattoo.
The judge ends the case. The DNA results clearly state he is not the father. The case is dismissed immediately, though the emotional damage remains heavy. She may file again if she chooses, but for today, it's over. If this courtroom drama shocked you, like, comment, and subscribe for more stories.